Hello friends and welcome to Shaltech.
The CASEMATE phone case for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G with a 15-foot drop protection. First, make sure the surface of your Fold 3 is clean and free of any dust.
This case is quite a snug fit for the phone. This being one of the most expensive phones in the market, you see that both because the case is a snug fit and because it's an expensive phone, I struggle quite a bit to get the phone inside the case because it kind of snaps into the case, but I do achieve it ultimately. Let me know in the comments if you have a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, then what case do you use and does it have a hinge protection?
So this is the case that has been removed from its packing. It's got a hinge protection and it's a full cover. Let's see what's inside. So it comes with an instruction booklet, and basically what the instruction booklet does is it tells you how to install the case. That's 2 steps to install the case, and then it also tells you how to remove this case, and that's I can see 3 steps here to remove your device if you need to once you've installed your case. So just following the installation instructions here. Step 1 is I have to have the case laid out like this and my device open, and I have to snap the device into the case. Once I've done that, instruction number 2 says tightly squeeze the sides of the case on all the sides. So let's do this. So I've got the case fully open, and I now have my device, my Samsung Fold 3, in this position, and then I just place it. So as you can see, I'm struggling a little bit with this device. Let's look at the instructions again. So what I have forgotten to see is these 3 arrows. So it says ensure you put these 2 in first and then the third one, and then hopefully it should snap in this place. So these 2 have to go in first and then that one. And I'm getting distracted by the device, so I'm just going to turn it off.
So even though it takes a while to get the installation done, I quite like the case because the phone in itself is quite slippery. So it's good to have the case, and also it does not interfere with your volume buttons, the power on and off button, the recharge slot, as well as it's got a good cut behind for the cameras. So even though it's a good fit, does this case crack? Stay on and see it towards the end of the video.
I struggle quite a bit trying to get the phone into this device, and what I've noticed is the hinge just goes in a little bit like this, and I've got to put these 2 sides in first and then the third side here for it to snap in. So let's try it again. And the phone is just snapped in after a lot of effort, and that's what the case looks like with its hinge protection and its protection at the back. So this is the CASEMATE cover that has been installed on the Samsung Fold 3. It opens up perfectly well. Also provides hinge protection. Now all the buttons can be easily operated. So let's say I use the volume button. and then so increasing the volume, minimizing the volume. The power button can be the power can be turned on and off, which is this button here. There's the volume button, you can operate it, turn it on, turn it higher, turn it lower. And similarly, your connectors to your speakers and the charging port are all visible, and you can easily connect your cable to it. And similarly, you've got everything here that you need, that you can see. At the back, you can use your Samsung Fold 3 camera. There's a cut here in the case.
So friends, even though I quite like the case because of its snug fit and it's got good slots for the power on and the volume button, the case did end up cracking twice. And forget the 15-meter foot drop, I dropped it from say a 1 meter high. It dropped out of my pocket once and it still cracked, but it did protect the phone. The picture here shows you that this is the second time I've cracked it. So the first time I cracked it, I went to the vendor and they replaced it for me. But yeah, this is the second time it's cracked. So the case does crack. If you are using a better case which has a hinge protection for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, let me know. Now, there are cases for Galaxy Z Fold 4, which is the latest in the market, but the dimensions of Z Fold 3 and Z Fold 4 are different. Thank you so much.
To get more videos like this, as well as to help these videos reach many more people, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you and see you soon.